Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can power off your smartphone without touching power button. You can see without touching power button how you can power off in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open system, swipe down, go to system, and friends here it is. You can see this. Friends, you can see this. Go to accessibility, swipe down, here it is accessibility menu. You have to just simply turn it on like this, you can see, and press back. You can see this floating window is open. You have to just simply tap on it, click on power, and here you can just shut down your phone without touching the power button. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.